Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use another operating system inside your own operating system. Yes, that's true. With the help of the virtual machine, yes, you can do that. So over here, guys, I want to let you know there are different platforms available where you can run another operating system inside your own computer. But the thing is that the most convenient and the good operating system would be the version which is quite light. So over here, I would recommend you to go for the one which is VirtualBox. So let's go ahead. So here I just open Internet Explorer, and this is the website which I'm taking you to, which is www.virtualbox.org. This is a landing page of this VirtualBox. So well, this is from Oracle. So thanks Oracle for providing us this free software. And yes, it's completely free. So yes, anyone can download it. Over here we have a section over here the left hand side. So let's select downloads. Here the downloads page is. Over here I want to let you know this is not only I would say available for Windows computers, it is available for Windows, for Macintosh, for Linux, and for Solaris. So over here currently I'm going to show you that how you can install it inside the Windows computer, because I'm using Windows 7 inside my computer. So here it is. I clicked on that. I got the prompt where I want to save this file. So over here let's click on save. Let's take the location desktop and then save it. So let it get download, guys. Once it get download, I will get back to you. Okay guys, so download is almost done. The few seconds left. 3 2 1, and here we go. Here we go. So here we receive the prompt over here, guys. So over here we need to run that file. Let's click on run. It will take its own time to think about that file, which totally depends on your computer processor, like whatever processor you are using inside your computer, because it first of all think it, read it, and then it will display that to you. So it is taking its time to come up, and finally it came. So here we are. Let's click on run once again, and then we need to follow the on-screen instructions. We need to go with the process in a flow, like yes, okay, like that, because we just want the software to get installed. We don't want to, I would say, go with the mess by reading all the terms and condition and everything like that. So here we are. It is asking whether you want to proceed with installation. Yes. The thing is that over here it is saying network interference. There can be chances you might lose your network for a couple of seconds while it is installing a network. I would say the network drivers, because what it will do is that it will put the network drivers over your computer. So that is a virtual network which it will gonna create over your computer. So it will not gonna create any much problem. Don't fear about it. However, that is just a warning which has been presented by Oracle to you. So here let's click on yes, install, and let it go through. It will take its time for sure to get installed completely, and once it get installed, we will proceed further. So here we got the prompt over here. It is asking, do you want to allow? So this is just a normal warning which every computer usually shows. So let's click on yes over here. As I say that we need to go with the flow, we need to click on every single positive prompt whichever appears over your computer screen. Because over here our main focus is to install the virtual machine, because it is not anyhow hampering your device. And it is under our favor at the moment because we need that. So let it go through. Very soon it will get done. It is asking that do you want to install this device software. That is just a software actually that is for the USB part. So let's click on install over here, and over here let's make it check as well, so that in future if any such prompt arrives, so we don't need to click on that option again and again. So I just click on install. Here it is working on it, and here you can see it already created a shortcut icon for it. So it is almost done. 85% done so far. And finally, it got done. So here we are, and let's click on finish. So make sure that if you're trying to open it at the same moment, so this box should be checked in. Otherwise, you can uncheck that box and you can click on finish. So this is how you can set up a virtual box inside your computer, and let's open it up. Make sure that, oops, I opened the wrong one. So this is the one which the shortcut which just got created after installing the software. So I'm opening it up, and here we are. So this is the user interface of the Oracle VirtualBox. Here we are. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can set up any window which you want to set up over your VirtualBox. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please do like if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.